Hi, Damon with Sunbelt Marketing, and today I wanted to talk to you about a couple new products out from Webstone. The first being this expansion tank bracket. This is a great piece because it's a one-piece casting, so you're not having to assemble all of this with separate fittings, cutting pipe, assembling some other components here. You literally pull this out of the box and mount it and install it. And speaking of mounting it, it has the standoff here where you can adjust it so it's level. And once you get it set where you need it, you lock this in place and it's not going to move around on you. Another great feature is you can isolate the tank. So if you need to repair this at some point, the tank goes out on you, you can isolate it, drain the tank, pull the tank off, put a new tank on, and now you got a new tank without having to disassemble any of this stuff right here. Now let's check out the drip leg. So the drip leg, again, it's a one-piece casting, meaning you're not having to assemble a 4-inch nipple onto a T. The cap has a tether to it, so when you take that off to clean it out, you're not going to lose it. You know where it's at. You can buy this drip leg as a kit as well, so you can buy it with a yellow flex, a valve, and while you're at it, why not add the isolation kit to it to make it a nice, clean install look. This isolation kit is ultra compact, meaning the lay length on this is going to be much shorter, meaning you can work around your equipment and have more space to maneuver. For specifics and spec sheets, click the links below.